Hey, if you're planning to buy a new car, hold on. Your car might cost 10% lesser. Subscribe before I tell you. So the Indian government is planning a major GST rate cut for automobiles in India. So currently for cars and two-wheelers, the GST is around 28% with an additional cess. For smaller cars less than 4 meters in length, and 1200cc engine capacity and two-wheelers less than 350cc engine capacity, the tax rate will be at 18% from the current 28%, which is a massive 10% rate cut. So let us say you plan to get a Maruti Baleno, which qualifies as a small car. So if the proposed tax rates are approved, then you will be getting a rupees 75,000 discount on this purchase. Or on a Kia Sonet, there will be variations between the petrol and the diesel versions, but if you look at the diesel variant, you will be saving around 1.43 lakh rupees. For mid-size cars more than 4 meters or within 1200 to 1500cc like a Creta, sedans greater than 1500cc, SUVs more than 1500cc and luxury cars like Mercedes and Toyota will have a 40% GST imposed. Now keep in mind that these cars currently have a compensation cess on them. Now we don't know if the 40% tax includes the compensation cess or if a separate tax will be levied on them. But this bill is still not approved. Once it is approved, there will be changes on a lot of other goods as well. Stay tuned for more such updates.